Hi guys, this will be a rubber band powered car inspired by a toy I spotted in a charity shop. It's not going to be a very big one, and I will have to change filament as we're going through. It needs about 6 meters of filament. I think there's less than a meter on there. There'll be 5 meters on that little coil, and if we need a bit more, I've got another short coil there. So it will end up being at least 2 colours, if not 3 colours. This is just a bit of fun. It's not a well, they're never serious rubber band powered cars, but this one's just a novelty one. I'm time-lapsing it anyway, so I won't stand here and watch it all the way through. I said I wasn't going to stand and watch it all the way through, but I just thought I'd say these odd little bits it's put in, that's the support. That's not actually part of the main vehicle. That's part of the main vehicle. But those are support layers. I'm using tree support, which looks very odd, but I find it quite useful. Anyway, that'll do. The rest of it will be on there, although I will do a video when it's finished. Well, we're looking alright so far. What I'm going to do now is try and swap the filament. Now, in the past I've done all the fancy things like heating the filament and joining it together so it just flows straight through. But it was only fairly recently I actually found out there is an option on there when you pause it to change the filament. So I'm going to try doing that. I would film it, but I've got my tripod in use already, so I can't put my phone on the tripod. So I'll just have to do it and hope for the best. If it fails, then, well, I'll do a video of the failed bit. Well, that got a bit confusing. I couldn't find a setting for changing the filament. I just don't know what happened there, so I had to do it manually anyway. So we have got the blue filament in there now. It's just beginning to show. So hopefully I've done the job. But that got very weird. I just couldn't find the setting. It's probably a matter of how you go into it. But, well, never mind. It's changed now. We're on blue. And as I said, we probably will have to put a bit of red in there as well, just to finish it off. Because it needs just over 6 meters, and those coils are 5 meters. I thought I'd come up and check. Looking okay. There's a few stringy bits. 71%. And we've got some left. It's going to be a close thing as to whether we can get it all off that reel, or whether we'll have to add a little bit more. What it's actually doing at the moment, you can't really see, but it's like a head that sticks up at this end. So that shouldn't actually take very much filament. These stringy bits are where the support bits are filling in the holes. where the axles go through. Well, like I said, it's going to be a very close run thing. 85%. I don't know, we've got about another half an inch to go. We might have to put a bit more in. Right, I was looking for that option for changing filament. Tune. Down the bottom there. Change filament. But I'm not sure if I'll need to. It is so close. We've only got that tiny bit left. I might just try poking some straight through behind. It's just going to be so close. We're up to 99%. And we've still got a tiny bit left. I think we're going to do it without having to change. It's just got to finish the top of the loop there. Done it. Little bit left. And there we go. Got a bit of support layers to clear. I'll let it cool down before I start playing with it. Well, that was fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.